Hi children, in the yesterday's class we studied different types of angles, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, and we learned to name the angles also. Today we will study types of figures, open figure, closed figure, like this. All of you listen here. Open and closed figure. First one is open figure. Open figure. Open figure means a shape or a figure that begins and ends at two different points. Here one point, this figure begins at one point and ends here. Two different points, begins at one point and ends at the other point. Another open figure, another open figure, another open figure, another open figure. So end point, the beginning point and the end point, the starting point and the end point are two different points. Then the figure is called an open figure. Then what is closed figure? Closed figure means a figure or a shape that begins and ends at the same point. Begins and ends at the same point. This is a closed figure. 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 So in all these figures, the beginning point and end points are the same. So such type of figures are called closed figures. When the beginning and the end points are two different points, such type of figures are called open figure. The next, symbol closed figure. Symbol closed figure. This type of figures, when a shape or a figure that does not cross itself. Here the shape or figure that cross. Here the shape crosses itself. When the closed figure that does not cross itself, this type of figures are called a symbol closed figure. This is a symbol closed figure. This is not a symbol closed figure because it has crossed the figure. This is a symbol closed figure because starting and ending point are the same and the figure does not cross itself. This is a symbol closed figure. This is a symbol closed figure. This is a symbol closed figure because in this figure the figure has not crossed. This is a crossed figure. So this is not a symbol closed figure. Do you got the difference? Open figure, closed figure and symbol closed figure. Then next is polygons. This means a symbol closed figure. Symbol closed figure you all know. This is a symbol closed figure. This is a symbol closed figure. In this figure, symbol figure that made up of only line segment. Here there is no line segment. Simple closed figure made up of only line segments are called polygons. Made up of only line segments are polygons. There are different types of polygons. A three-sided polygon. This is a polygon with a three line segment, three sides. So three-side polygon is called a triangle. Triangle. Next, this is a four-side polygon. This is four-side. This is called a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Any sides that having any figure that having four sides, four line segments are called. This can be square, this can be rectangle. So any figure that having four line segments are called quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Three-sided figure are called a triangle. Then another figure. This is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So this type of figures are called five-sided figure are called pentagon. Pentagon. Three-sided triangle, four-sided quadrilateral, five-sided pentagon. Then there is another type, six-sided figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this has six sides, six line segments. Six-sided line segments are called hexagon. Hexagon. So this is triangle. All the figures that made up of only line segments are called polygons. There are different types of polygons. Three-sided polygon is a triangle. Four-sided polygon is a quadrilateral. Five-sided polygon is a pentagon. Six-sided polygon is hexagon. So please study this much. Today's class is over.